Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I just want to show you our YouTube channel tour. So sounds very silly, no? But there is a reason why I just want to do this YouTube channel tour. So for the next 20 seconds I will show you the reason and then we'll continue. Hope you got the reason why I am doing this YouTube channel tour. So getting a lot of comments that give the numbering or order or sequence to learn the concepts. So everything will be available in the playlist in a YouTube. So most of them were aware about that thing, but some of them were not aware about that playlist and where to watch the videos in a order wise and all these things. So that's the reason why I just want to do this YouTube channel tour. So let's start our YouTube channel tour. Hello friends. So let us open our YouTube channel Sandeep Sardi Kanteti and explore it. So in order to open, you can simply use the URL www.youtube.com and use the /C for channel and give our channel name Sandeep Saradi and just press enter. Automatically it will open our channel. Okay, and one more way, just go to the youtube.com and in the search bar just give a Sandeep Saradi, type a Sandeep Saradi and press enter so that it will display the channel logo, right? You can see our channel logo Sandeep Saradi, right? So this is our channel, and by clicking on this one also you will get this page, right? And here you can see the number of subscribers, 4,05,000 subscribers, and 724 videos has been uploaded. So among these 724, around 665 or 70 are the technical sessions, and all the remaining are the non-technical sessions, right? So once you open your channel, you can see this is the channel art, and here you can find my email ID and the mobile number. So if you are having any doubts, so it's not possible to communicate with you, that means solve your doubts in the comment section. So most of them were already sending the comments to my WhatsApp number or an email. Definitely I will respond to that. So you can also use these email or a WhatsApp number to communicate with me regarding the materials or regarding the doubts. So definitely I will clarify and I will respond to you, right? And this is a home, and this is a normal video, and here you will be having the popular uploads. So a popular uploads means based upon the view count. Okay, so based upon the view count we'll get the videos here. So these are all the videos which are having a highest view count, and these are the featured channels which are related to our channel, and these are the shorts. Okay, only one short was recorded by my son, so promoting our channel. So the next one is the videos, and here you can find all the videos, right? See, so these videos are arranged in a date uploaded. Okay, and this can be sorted using the three things. So go to here, sort, you can filter this one. By default it will be in the third option, that is a date added newest. That means the latest recorded video will be coming first. Okay, so this is order wise. And if you click on the second option, that is a date added oldest, so these all the videos will be arranged in the order which I have recorded from the beginning itself. So this is the first video I have uploaded in my channel 5 years back, right? So the second video, third video, fourth video. So this is nothing but date added oldest. The videos will be arranged based on the date added oldest. And the next one is the most popular. So based upon the view count, all the videos will be arranged. So you can see the first one, the Python tutorial for beginners in 6 hours. So it has reached around 2.2 million in 1 year. So this is the highest view count video in our channel. So it was displayed first. And the next one is MS Office, which is having 1.4 million, and OOPS concepts with 1.3 million. It stood at third position, right? So this is the order based upon the view count. So three ways we can sort the videos. And the next one is a very important thing. So that's a playlist, and here you can see the concept wise sessions, okay, in an ordered way, right? This is a playlist, and here you can see the subjects which I have uploaded. So first one, Linux or Unix commands along with the shell scripting. So this number is nothing but a total number of videos in that particular playlist, 24. And a compiler design with a 6 videos, automata theory with 40 videos, pattern programs in Python language 8 videos, and a Python database connectivity with 8 videos, NumPy library, Matplotlib library, Pandas library, Python programs, simple Python programs, and data structures using Python. And here also the computer basics and MS Office in English. Okay, and the next one is a Python programming in Telugu. And this complete playlist will be having all the Telugu tutorials regarding the Python. So that means a Python 6 hours video. Along with that, you can have the NumPy in Telugu, and along with that, Pandas with Telugu, right? All the things will be available in this particular playlist. And coming to the JavaScript with the 21 videos, computer networks, career guidance, C++, database management system, number system and conversions, data structures, HTML and CSS, Java programming, C programming, interview, question and answers, sorting techniques, right? And some quantitative aptitude and the logical reasoning I have started. And I just want to resume this particular playlist. I need to add a more number of videos regarding this one, quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. And the operating system few videos, that is a scheduling algorithms and page replacement algorithms. So I have uploaded only these two concepts, that's a scheduling algorithms as well as the page replacement algorithms, right? And after that, see Python programming for beginners. This is a complete English playlist along with, it is having around 69 videos, and MS Office in Telugu, and network security, C programming, and computer graphics, right? So if you select the playlist, automatically the videos will be arranged in a order itself. For example, if you consider this Python, so just click on Python. So you'll be getting the video here, and all the remaining the next videos will be coming here itself. See, first one is, see, you can observe the order. First one, want to learn Python, who can learn Python and how long it requires, right? And the next one is how to write a programs and how to improve the programming skills. And immediately the features and installation of Python, literals, data types, types of assignment, input output programming, input output statements, usage of map function, keywords, operators. So all the videos will be in an sorted order itself, right? In the order itself, sequence itself. So you need not search for any other video. So simply you can click on this playlist and you can start learning from here. So here there is a video number 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So you can just remember that video number, and you can simply learn one by one the videos, one by one, right? So this is a playlist, and here from here you can have the videos, and the numbering is not required. So even though I have started giving a numbering, so with your request, so I have already given numbered for the C programming videos. You can see 1 2 3, I have given numbering, so that many of them were asked about this numbering, so I have already given. And I need to give this numbering for the remaining playlist also. Very soon you can get that numbering for all the videos. So meanwhile, you can simply go through the playlist so that all the concepts will be arranged in an order itself, right? If you go with the Java programming, here also you can see the first one is a complete video, and the next one is how to install the IDE, Eclipse, code blocks, and how to write the programs, and introduction, buzzwords, hooks, concepts, keywords, naming conventions. So everything is in order, so you need not search for any other order, so you can simply follow this order, right? And then the next one is a community tab. So my favorite tab, because if I want to communicate anything with my subscribers and the followers, simply I just want to post the content here itself, so that it will be shared for among all the subscribers community, right? So that's why, so whatever the thing I just want to communicate with you, I will communicate in this particular community tab, right? And the next one is the channels, and these are the channels which I have subscribed, right? And coming to the about, so here we are having a small information regarding our channel, that our channel consists of technical videos related to computer science and engineering to help people in self-learning. And here again we are having some subscribe link to our channel, so there is a shortcut link. And here also you can find this business inquiries. So if you sign in with your login details, you can view my email address so that you can communicate here. So otherwise, no need to sign in and watch my email address. Excuse me. So here you can find the email address and a WhatsApp number so that you can communicate with me either by using the email or a WhatsApp number. Definitely I will respond. Right. And this is in the about section we are having the total number of views. So around 33 million views, and we have started the channel in 2013, but started uploading the videos from December 2016. Right. So this is all about our channel. So still, if anybody not subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe to our channel and get benefited. Definitely you will get all the video sessions, technical video sessions regarding the computer science uh, stream. And if you really enjoying my sessions, like my sessions, and share our channel with your friends and let them subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Sandeep Sardi Khanteti. Right, hope you enjoyed the tour. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.